Guys, today's video is a quick one. This is one of those small fixes that can save your project and your mood. If you've ever cut a miter joint and ended up with a little gap, congratulations, you're human. Here's a simple way to fix it using a handsaw. Take a piece of scrap wood and place your boards on top. Use a 90-degree square to line everything up and make sure nothing moves, because precision here matters more than optimism. Now grab a handsaw. I'm using a wide, cheap Stanley saw. Not exactly a surgical instrument, but it'll do the job. Use the gap itself as a guide and make a light pass with the saw. You're basically letting the mistake show you how to fix it, which is a pretty good life strategy, by the way. If one pass isn't enough, just repeat the process until the gap closes up. And that's it. Quick, simple, and no one will ever know. Unless you tell them.